How to fix login error in IMO app. So if you're facing a login error in IMO app, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having a stable internet connection, you need to just open up your Play Store if you're using your Android, and you can go with your App Store if you're using your iOS device. After that, go with search. On your search, you need to search for IMO. After searching, you need to tap on open, or instead of this open, you will have update. So you just need simply go and update it. Make sure that you've updated the application. After updating, you can go with your IMO and your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply search for IMO on your app list, tap and hold on to that IMO, go with your app info. Under app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and here you can tap on clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to tap and hold on to your power button and then tap on restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your login error in IMO app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.